All right, let's begin with our continue with our functions this time. So, in order to get started with function, I will need to create one function, and the syntax or the command goes create function, then the function name. I'll control C it. I'll explain you in a while. Let me paste this, and I'll hit run. So this function basically takes an amount and applies a discount 10%. If you're seeing 0.9, that is 0.1 is left out, that is discount percentage, that is that is the 10% discount, right? Please do not confuse 90% discount, it's basically 10%. 0.9 means 10%. Notice how will return a table with the discounted value now. So since our function is created, if you look, it's successful. I'll now open one new query window. Let's validate our function. So there we go with validating. I'll control C it and paste this and basically run it. And there we go, the function, the values. We are able to return in a table with the discounted values if you look, right? So that's what it concludes for the function. Let's meet in our next lecture for stored procedure, that is the SP we call it.